What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to speed up your iPhone's internet connection. The first thing to check is whether low power mode is enabled on your iPhone. Low power mode restricts background processes to conserve battery, which can slow down your internet connection. To turn it off, open the Settings app, scroll down to Battery and tap on it. If you see that low power mode is enabled, indicated by a yellow battery icon, simply toggle it off. Turning this off ensures your iPhone operates at full performance, including better network functionality. Once this is done, try testing your internet speed to see if the issue is resolved. If turning off low power mode doesn't help, the next solution is to change your DNS settings, which can significantly improve browsing and connectivity. To do this, open the Settings app and tap on Wi-Fi. Select the eye icon next to the Wi-Fi network that you're currently connected to. Scroll down to make sure low data mode is turned off, as this can also throttle your internet speed. Then, tap Configure DNS and switch it to manual. Delete the existing DNS servers by tapping the red minus icon, and then tap Add Server. Enter 8888, tap Add Server again, and then enter 8844. These are Google's DNS servers and are known for their speed and reliability. Once you've entered these, tap Save in the top right corner to apply the changes. After this, turn on airplane mode by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen and tapping the airplane icon. Wait a few seconds and then turn it off. Test your internet speed to see if the internet speed has improved. If the problem persists, the last solution is to reset your network settings. Open the Settings app, go to General and scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and then select Reset Network Settings. You'll be asked to enter your passcode to confirm the reset. Keep in mind that this will erase all saved Wi-Fi networks, passwords and VPN settings, so you will need to reconnect your networks afterward. However, this method is highly effective in resolving deeper connectivity issues. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.